Hey, Z with Small Scale Development. Today is January 17th, and we are looking at the MLK Townhouses project. Right now, it's in the plan phase. Uh, one of the issues that came up when looking at the site plan, I was working on getting the site plan ready, and we have a driveway that's going to come in from the back or from one of the side street. And the problem is that there's a stormwater drain that is where the driveway would be. So if you can look on the picture, you can see here's the stormwater. You can see my mouse down here, the stormwater inlet, and the driveway is going to be somewhere kind of on this half right here. So if you look on the site plan, here's where the that manhole is, and then right here is where the some of that drain is. So essentially, we're gonna have to come across here. It may be able, might be possible that we could kind of have the driveway come over this way a little bit and over. I'm not sure yet with engineering, but there's also this water here that is a little bit of an issue. So I spoke with the surveying engineering company to see what they thought, and they said, well, we could maybe put a driveway, or excuse me, put some grates, put the driveway here and put some grates over it, so therefore it would that's how the water would get in. So, but I need to run that by the engineering company, or sorry, the engineering department, and they said, part of the issue is this is in a little bit of a low spot here, so if we have the driveway going over, the water might not flow into it. So that was something. I'll show you another image here. So this is looking at the GIS. I went back to the engineering, surveying and engineering company to say, hey, this is what the city said. What do we need to figure out to know whether we can do this or not? So they looked up the GIS map, and there's some as-built of what this looked like when it was built, and the engineers told me that we need the flow line of the bottom of the box. That's the stormwater inlet box, and the sizes of the pipes upstream and downstream a good ways, and then they can get the contours from the GIS. So I haven't gotten that resolved yet. Whether we can do this or not. If not, we may. I'm not sure what that's going to mean. Well, I guess I was thinking the option would be that we'd come in back here, but now I'm realizing, and we might just lose these units. However, it may be that this becomes a problem overall. Where we couldn't, if we can't do it here, we wouldn't be able to do it here. So my other option would be that we come in off of the main street here. We'd lose this unit and then come in here. That's not really optimal to me because we have, well, we lose a lot of frontage, and we lose a unit there. So, and I think just from a design, parking, or driving design, it's not really optimal to come out on the busy street. It's better to come up on the side street, so you can make a left, make a right, come out here, get onto the busy street. There's a stop sign here. If you're trying to turn right on here, it's just less optimal for an urban setting. It's possible, but that may be the route we need to go. We'll see. But anyway, so that's what we have. That's something that we have to sort out as we move forward. I thought it was a little more straightforward than it is, but it's not, and that's often the way development is. It seems like everything's going to move forward fine, and then there's these little hiccups that happen. So that's all for today. Thanks so much for being here.